Hello, we have one people for now. Let's see. Let's wait for a little more audience here while watching. We have one, okay. We have three. Hello, guys. Let's wait just for more people to join. Just a little bit. Can you hear me well? Can you type yes or a thumbs up or something, please, in the chat? We have three. Yes, Cheryl. Hi. Thank you for joining. Let's just wait a little bit more, just 2 minutes more. Let's gather some more audience. Today we're going to learn about the Orton Builder, so it's very important. Let's wait just a little bit more. Hello, thank you for this. It's my pleasure, Cheryl. Thank you. Let's see. Is something there specific you want to ask me, Cheryl, today, that I can help you with, or just like the basic lesson of ordering builder? We have four people. Excuse me, four people. Okay, we're waiting for some more people. The sales webinar is ending about, it ended about 5 minutes ago. So let's wait for some more people to join. We can change the home text size. Okay, I will show you how in just a little bit. You need some knowledge on coding, and I will show you what I know. Maybe that works. I'm not a developer, but I know how it works. Mm, let's wait just a little bit more to gather some more people. Join. Okay. Okay, how many we have? We still have four. I will show you how, Cheryl, so we don't waste time. So inside your ordering builder, as you can see here, this is mine. This is some examples of products I have of ordering. I have I have to check. I have to edit the ordering website, the one I have. So now um, we go in developers and we customize this file. This is just like an overview. Just like let's wait for what about 5 more minutes or less because people is joining, I think. Well, first of all, let me introduce myself. Let's get this started, just like that. I'm Mauricio, Mauricio Caju, that's the name. Uh, I'm part of the marketing and growth team here at Ordering. The theme of the webinar today is the Ordering Builder. We started with a little bit of introduction, but I will explain everything again. And all the questions, please ask them in the chat. I will take a look very often to don't miss anything, and let's get this started. So I logged in with the credentials the ordering team sent me, right? And then I logged in this link. I put my login and password, and then I can see the products that I have assigned to my installation. Right now, I'm going to show you how to do a little change in a text that is in the ordering website because Cheryl asked for it. So let's do that. My ordering website URL right now is the temporal domain. A lot of your sites have this .ordering.co because it's hosted on our site. It's very good hosting. It's Amazon server, so don't worry about it. You can use it. The only thing is that it will show .ordering.co. So right now I'm loading the website. Okay, it is loaded. And now the question was how to change the home text size. Yeah. So we're going to go in developers. This requires a little bit of coding knowledge. We have some guides and everything. I will send everything I will put everything in the description of the video so you can take a look after if needed. So don't worry about it. If not, you can submit a ticket. We can help you. There's no problem. We go, in this case, this is the file that we're looking for, homepage. If you can't see it, let me just make it a little bigger. So we download this file. You can download any of these files. All these files are the looks of your ordering website. You have the same for your ordering apps, delivery, and any app, correct? Now, let me see what it opens here. Okay, let me just, I recommend you to get uh, this coding tool, Sublime Text. It works for me. Um, I have tried it a few times. Sublime Text for Mac. Download. Let's try it here. I didn't know this computer didn't have it, so sorry about it. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it is loading. Let's just wait a little bit. Hey, more people joined. Hello. Just type like yes if you can hear me in the chat, please, so I know. Welcome. Today's lesson is the ordering builder. Okay, let me just install this one. Okay, now I have it here. Now we have to open the homepage file, Cheryl, that we used. Download it from the ordering builder in developers module here in the section. 10 people watching now. Let me know if you can hear me, please, in the chat. Okay, this is opening. Open. Okay, let's drop the file here. Okay, this might look a little weird. So yes, I can hear you. Thanks. So I am teaching Cheryl how to change the size of the homepage text. So this is something that you can do in the developers module. In this section, I downloaded the original file. Now I'm going to change the tag that is here. So right now it has an H1 tag, which is um, the code variable to make it like bigger than the others according to the CSS that is already in the in the website. So I've changed it to H2 in order to make it a little smaller, right? So now I save this file, save it. It'll save in the same file that I just downloaded. Now I upload the one that we just changed, which is, I have it here. Save it. It will show something here that is a new file. Then I update the developers module that is here. Sasha, welcome. Thank you. Alonso, welcome. Ken, welcome. Now we go in build website. This is very important. Any change that you do in the builder has to be, it requires a build, build the website once again to reflect the changes, right? We're going to update this website. It will take just a few minutes to reflect the changes. Thank you very much. I got you. In the meantime, feel free to ask, to put any questions in the chat. I will follow them up as we go on. So I will answer everything. Right now, the lesson is the ordering builder, how it works, how to make it work on your advantage and everything. It's a very unique, well, it's a unique invention from ordering, and it will help you a lot to get your apps, your website looking good. Let's try it out. So if this has cache, let's just clear the cache. Let's see if it make it smaller. It may take a little because of the cache of the browsers. So you see this changed, Cheryl. Now it's H2 and it's smaller. Now we have to add some more things in the file. Oh, in the file here, it requires a little bit of coding to put center my text and some aligned texts, lines of coding and more stuff in order to make it look good. But when you change this file, you upload it again and update and build a website, and it will reflect all the changes that you want to make. Right now, if I want to return the change, I can either return this file and upload it again, or just go in developers tool is loading, and remove, and click remove, which will remove the file, the customized file, and then update and again build the website. For some more information about how to code, Cheryl, you can ask us. We can give you some guidance. If not, I recommend you just to check Google, type some text. It's easy. It should be easy to learn. It will be easy to learn. I tried myself, and give it a try. Give it a try, and let me know. Get back to us with your doubts, some specific doubts, so we can help you out on the chat or a ticket. But that is the way to change the layout of the ordering web. Let's just wait for this to design a little. Amazing, Cherry. Good luck. Good luck. Now let's see. Let me reload now because this is back. Hello. How do we order products in a not alphabetically way? Let me see. This will be in the builder. Now to order. Let's wait just for these two to charge. Okay, now it's back. You see? Uh, Javier Mena, hello. How do we order the products in a not alphabetically way? Right now, the API, as you can see, it do that layout because it's how most of the business do. So we leave it like that, just like a normal way. To change that kind of alphabetically way, we have to go inside the developers tool and create a new action. But I think this will be the custom CS. No, no, no. Oh no, currently to change that you can feature the products because currently something like that cannot be done by yourself because we have to change API. And for that, uh, we have to. Oh, sorry, let me try something else. We have to do some custom work and development on our side, Javier. That is why. So I will find out and let you know on the next video on the next lesson, so we can save some time with more specific data. Now let's jump to uh, starting the basic the class. When you get inside your builder and inside a product, you can see the setting section, right? Here you can see all the aspects. Yeah, thank you, Javier. You're welcome. You can see all the aspects of the ordering product that you are working on. In this case, we are looking at the ordering website. Here you set up a name which will show at the when they put a search on Google, and to identify it here in your ordering product list. Here, let me show you. Here, for example. After that, we have the domain. Right now, it's a temporal domain, so we just set up this one. If it is custom domain, we help you to set it up, or you can do it yourself. I will add also the link in the description so we don't forget, and you will learn how to change it. We can, if you send us a form to change it ourselves, we can do it for you. We can help you with that. Okay, so we don't miss anything. The version, this version, it's very important. So anytime you perform a change in the website, upgrade this version one digit in order for the catch to be cleared by an automation that we created in the API. Also, it's a function. It's a clear catch feature that we have. So that is there already. Themes, we by now we only have a web, which is a normal one, but we are going to create more themes in order to have more options to show to your customers. So it will be very very good. We are working on it. Probably this year we will launch them. The theme style is the same. It goes hand by hand. The description. This is a description that will show in the SEO URLs that show in your browsers. So it is very helpful for SEO. Okay, that is the general settings. Now we go in the constants. Here you can set up certain fields that show in your platform, right? For example, driver tips, you can edit them here just by changing the number. This is taking percentages. So be sure to put the percentage that you want it to be, right? And it'll change on the website and on the apps automatically. The welcome full screen, which is the big screen that shows in your homepage. We just leave it on because, well, it looks better that way. Decimal separator. There are some countries that have a comma or something else, so we leave that option here up to you. Decimal length. How many zeros or digits? Well, digits comes after the dot or the comma that your prices have. The currency, of course, is just very straightforward. Three letters. You have here a list of the ones that are in your country, so you put the right currency here. Where it's showing, for example, there are some that show in the right, so you put the currency after the number. max days pre-order, how many days the customer can order in advance your products or your services, right? So for example, if I put here 15 dates, it'll show me until what is 12 of the next month. So that is the way this setting will work. Time format 24 hours or AM PM. There are some decisions to be made here about how your customers like it. Distance is in kilometers or miles. If you deactivate this, it will show miles. If you activate this, kilometers. Country, well, basic use the country. Here are the city codes. Closest business. This is a feature that will send your customers directly to the customer, sorry, to the business that is near them according to location, right? Abel Basket. Let me finish this, and I will answer that. Abel, thank you very much for writing. Uh, so if you wanted just to show one and you have marketplace, activate this. If you don't, leave it like that, and the customer will be able to see the list. Default order type, just like that, is delivery or pickup. You can set it up so the selection that is here comes by default. Right now is delivery, so it is showing delivery here. Orders manager loading improvements. This is just an improvement that allows the orders manager where you see your orders to work better. So just leave it on, leave it on. We added that because uh, we had to add a checkbox in order for you to see the improvements, right? Let's just okay. This loads. Super. I want to show you which part I'm talking about. This part. This is the orders manager. Okay. Default address. The default address street is what shows when your customers clicks here. This is the one. So right now, because I have a default address like this, it shows this one here, Fifth Avenue, right? You can change it to your country and everything just by putting it here. We recommend you to look for it on Google Maps because we will use Google Maps in order to use the geolocation feature. So if it match, it is much better. Uh, uh, how do you say the work is the performance is better that way. Default address latitude and longitude is just like the maps. You can set it up or leave it like that. We already in the background is working with the key that you gave us of the Google Maps API. Search by address. If you uncheck this one, the search by address, sorry, the search won't be like this. It won't be like this. It will be a drop down here. Grocery. Let me see if I can find a demo which has that. Mm, okay, this one, for example, this is a drop down menu. This is a groceries demo that we have. For drop downs, it shows like this. You select first the city and then the neighborhood. And then you assign neighborhoods to each store. And according to the neighborhoods inside the store are the ones that are going to show and so on, right? This is when you disable this, it'll start showing the drop down menu. Okay, so we have next the Facebook ID. It's just a Facebook ID that your Facebook dashboard in developers gives. We put it here and do some more uh, setup in Facebook dashboard. So it'll work, the Facebook login. I think this one has the one on ordering. Let's try. Got no, it's not set up yet, so I have to set it up in order to make it work. But sign up. Let me try this one. Okay, this one works. Login to use Facebook account with ordering.co. It'll say your Facebook. So when you set up that way, it'll say your Facebook. Let's see what's next. Facebook app name. Use the name of your Facebook. It must match to your Facebook ID in the developers in Facebook, the tool in Facebook. You have here, sorry, like Yoda, the links for it, for the tutorials and everything. Should show tutorials for admins are some tutorials that it's a button that says help somewhere. Let me see if I can make it show. Where is the button? I don't remember. Okay, this button. This is the bottom of tutorials. So when they click here, they can learn what is going on in the part that they are working at that time. My store, and they can see videos and everything. Please feel free to take a look to learn some more. Most of the section has the the button, so you can learn how it works one by one. Show tutorial for business owners is the same. Saved places. Saved places is it's a feature that for the customer show the places that he has saved. So you put a new direction. Let's say um, like this. Save it, and this is the feature saved places. We have a lot of features here. The Stripe CCA and a lot of more things. Stripe CCA. Use driver tip, which is to activate the driver's tip. Mm, then we have the first Google autocomplete. This allows the customers, the end customers, to complete this address by force, right? So they find the the address they're looking for. Oh, sorry, I changed the. Okay, here is the admin. Let me do it like this. So a new customer will get in here if we have that forced. It'll force you to select one of these, right? So they click here and start, and so on. Let's continue. Super Pro package is according to your package. Super able to show the super section, which is in the builder here, help center. Allow to delete self account. This allows the customers, your customers, to delete their account. We commonly leave it unchecked because we want to keep those users, right, for our marketing and everything. Max proud amount for the products. So it's like to manage stock, right? So you set here a maximum, and the business owners will be able to add, for example, right now 99 tops. Must be less than 1,000. 1,000 is the limit for now. Pre-ordered by date and time. So it's let me show you. Is the option that every business has at the menu is this one. So this is it activates this feature. I will add everything in the description, and we can go on and on. We have all the extensions here. If you activate it or deactivate it is your call. You can leave it like that. We set up all these according to your package because there are some package that does not include all the features. If you need it, you can purchase it. As you can see in our pricing table, let me load the site. Here's our site. It is also in the description if you want to take a look for something else. Here, here is the table, right? According to your package, this is the power ups that you have. So the ones that have like the arrow with some dots are the ones that are called power ups. If you click here and check out power ups, let me make it. Okay, here you can start the purchase, right? You just get it, we install it in less than 72 hours, and that's it. You can start working with them. Okay, let's get back in the builder. You have all the settings here, activate or deactivate them. Once you do the changes here, you update. It's very important to update and build. Don't forget about it. Never forget about it. It's very important. Um, Now we jump into the images module. I don't know if you have questions about settings. Let me answer that question, Abel. How how can I add or remove business types? By the business types, do you mean? Let me show you. These ones, or do you mean something else, Abel? Mm, yes. Okay. Yeah. Currently, these are the only four that you can have, but these are only texts. So if you sell like uh, food and grocery, no, let's say it, food or pizzas and hamburgers, something like that, no, according to your business. You can have one text that says burgers slash pizzas or something like that. Currently, and you assign both stores at the same business type. Currently, we cannot add more business types. We are working on it. We are going to we are going to we are going to add them in the future, and we will let you know. We have also a roadmap that I will share because I think you need it. But currently, we cannot add those business types. What you can do is request a custom work, and we can do the work for you. But currently, as the platform is, uh, we cannot change that. Abel, is the screens of live chat blurry, or is it just my signal? Sometimes I can read the letters. Live chat? Which live chat do you mean, Sasha? The live chat, this live chat? Or which one do you mean, Sasha? Can we set fixed delivery time? Yes, Ashar, uh, Ashar, Ashar, please. We can set a fixed delivery time. This is in your ordering website. You log in as a super admin or business owner. You go inside a store. Let's just try this one for now. We go in more. Here we have the, yes, it is blurry. But which one? Do you mean this? Okay, let me try to make this bigger like that. Can you see me well, everyone? Or or which uh, very blurry and bad? Like everything is blurry and bad? Oh, I think it's your connection. Everything seems normal here. Mm. How about the others? Can you see me well or no, guys? Some you're saying as with Sasha here. Oh, I think it's your signal. If there's a problem now with the signal, don't worry about it. You can see the video after this because it gets uploaded in YouTube, and you can take a look at a better resolution. So amazing, Andres. Thank you, Abel, Sasha. You have to change the resolution. Okay. Okay. Well, let's continue. Um, where were we? Oh, so delivery times. Uh, Ashar, you asked for it. You change it here. You set up how many minutes, and it will show on your business listing. Go back to the settings. Go to the page so we can see. Go back to the settings. You mean here? We can see you clear. How about now? You can see it. Everything can. Everyone can see it. We can see you clear. Everything's good. Everything's fine. Okay, I will just continue. Again, you can see the YouTube video. It gets instantly upload after the stream is over. So you can take a look and move, pause, and everything. Okay, I will move into images. Right here in this section are all the images that you can change by just clicking on the change button. There are some more images that you can change from your. Yes, better. Great. There are some more images that you have to change inside the stores, like logos, banners, category images, and products, etc. You will find them out later on. We had a lesson yesterday about how the ordering editor works, so feel free to give it a try to take a look. It is on our channel. Okay, now here we can see, for example, the homepage background, the header logo, the fav icon. These are some images that show in your website. For example, in this one, the background image is this one, the blue one with the chicken and the potatoes and tomato and everything. The header logo image is this one, the one at the top left, and the favicon is the one in your browsers. If we go on, let's say the Do Me Hair and Do Me Business logo are the ones that will show if your business does not have a logo or a banner, right? If you want to put your label on it before they set up any logo or banner, you can set it up that way. If they don't have it, it'll show uh, these ones, these two, logo and banner. Let's see, home phone image. This is the image that will show here at the bottom, the two images, the two phones, sorry, here. Um, we have confirmation page. This is the image that shows at the checkout of the customer. Empty car image is the image that shows in the store when the car doesn't have any. This one, when the car doesn't have any products. Um, Widget icon. It's a little like the live chat icon, but with your design. Commonly, it uses a logo, so you can put whatever you want. Share image is the image that shows when you share your URL, your link. Download App Store and Play Store. These are the images for the download buttons that you can add in your page. You can grab it from here. The car image. This is the car that the icon, the little icon that shows when the customer or business owner or super admin is following the drivers in the apps. And the share image, it goes by hand to for this one. We have different sizes, so you can put both of them, and it'll work perfectly for your SEO. It works a lot. Colors. We have a question here. How the rider being picked is located near to the how's the rider being picked? Is it located near to the business, or if the rider if the rider if the rider is available? So Ashar, to assign a driver, you can do it manually, so you can see the list on each order. Let me see if I can show you here. Okay, for example, let me go to an order. This order, for example. Here, you will have a list of all your drivers, and then you can select them. Now, if you want it to be automatically, um, you will have to add the auto-assign setting, the feature. If your package have it already, you can change the settings of that feature right here in click more admin area, more settings, driver assignment settings. Here you can set up the auto assign feature. You turn it on. It requires a radius of kilometers or miles according to your um, to your business, and then you change. It gets triggered when you click add accepted by business or ready for pickup. So when you change the status of the order to accepted by business, it'll automatically get assigned to the closest driver, and he must be available, right? If he is busy, it'll assign it to the next closest driver, Ashar. Let me know if there was any doubt. Someone ordered. Here's a demo, so it works perfectly. I'll take something. Where is the info icon? Where is the info? Can I make it bigger to look at it? Yes, you can, Cheryl. It's just the same. You have to get into your developers tool, find out where the icon is, just like look in the files of the website, for example. Okay, very clear. Thanks. Thank you. Let's try it on like food. You have to look for the file. Right now, let's just go logically. If we go in the builder website and developers, right now I am inside my store. So if I look for business page, modal, uh, let's see, business page, product list, product details, business list. I think it'll be this. Okay, it'll be this one, Cheryl. So you download this file, do the changes, upload it again, and see the the reflect the result of the developer. Yep, it's just like the text. Where well we jumped into this one. This is the developers tool. This is where you change. These are all the files of your website looks. It works the same for the apps. So you have a section. Great. You have a section for developers. So you download here files, upload the new ones, then update and build a website. And it will reflect the changes that you do instantly. You just have to clear cache. Don't forget to upgrade the version. Now we jump into pages. In this section, you can create uh, pages for your footer. That's the basic, the mainly purpose of it. For example, I think right now is going to send to the website, to our website. What we did is to add a link in this footer in order to send there. I will put the article for more knowledge in the description of this video, so you learn how to work it out, or you can just click in this article, in this link. Now we go in build. Let's jump to the next one. Jump to the next one. Build website. Okay. Here we have the launching module. Let's say, for example, if your website has already a domain on your own, like a custom domain, it'll show another section here. Right now, I don't have it because this is the demo. It'll have another section here it says your domain, and it'll say update production site, right? So when you update staging, you're updating the temporal domain to check some texts. But when you click in the other button that says update production site, it'll go live to all your customers. And when it goes live, it'll send the clear catch function. Now, uh, this is very important. Always upgrade the version to show the clear catch function, the feature. Here are some packages that have this option. Be careful about it. These are all the files also of the front end of your website, but you can download it in one single zip in a compressed way. This is the open source feature. These are some more, these are your products. This is the help center of the, where you can find some more information about the website. And these are some options that we have as a super admin of the ordering builder. Um, I think that's it. Like in quick overview, how the ordering builder works, feels, and sees and looks. So let's jump into questions. Feel free to write it down on the chat. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And thank you very much for your attention. This and a lot of other videos are on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check it out. Click subscribe and everything, you know. Let's see. Ashar, how can we add admin for now? We have one ID super admin. To add admins, uh, when you are logged in as a super admin, this is for you, Ashar. More users. Can you still hear me? Yeah. Because I hear I heard something here weird. Uh, yeah, I think you can hear me, right? Let me know in the chat if you can't hear me. Like, no, we can't hear you. Or yes, we can hear you. Okay. Can you hear me, Ashar? Yes. Okay, great. So to add super admins, you click here in administrator. Oh, well, you go in more, users, administrators, and here you add the new one. For example, new demo. Look, someone made an order for ordering driver app, and it shows like this. I don't know if you can see it in the screen. Top, bottom left. It's very cool. All the platform is connected, so instant information. Let me jump back here. Here's how you create the super admin, right? You set up an email and then a new name for it, new super admin, and then you set up a password, and then you can log in with this one. Right, so I put it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it. We have two super admins now. That is how you add one. Abel, do do is possible to customize the translations because we will using the app in Spanish, but some translations are very basic. Yeah, to change any text that you have in your full platform, uh, let me try something here. Spanish. Okay, now it's in Spanish, right? This says we get what you love, etc. To change the text, let me go back in English. I know this is very basic, but it is because we used Google Translate, right? So, but we added a feature to make these changes easily. You go in your language manager, look for the text, for example, right now we get what you love. Let's just put something else in Spanish, right? Just for just for testing purposes. Log out. Let's reload this. Don't forget to clear cache because it takes just a few minutes, but to show you, I will do it. I will force it. See, if it doesn't show, I will try another. Yeah, let's try another browser. For example, Firefox. I think we have it here. What happened? It closed. Okay, it's open. Where is it? Keep Chrome. Okay, let's try it out. In Spanish, see? This just changed because we changed it in the language manager. That's how you change all the texts. Abel. Mm-hmm. Let's the next question. Say that again about the update website provision. It makes working cache. The cache it's cache. Okay, the cache. So when you upgrade the version of the software, let's try it out. Cheryl, we have to upgrade this version. Update. Then build a website. Update website staging. Let me see if I can get that the, the notification. If not, let me show it to you how it will look. Clear cache. Oh, it was the one below. Yeah, no. Clear. Here, this one. So your platform will put something like this, right? So the customer clicks in yes, and then the last changes that you made are going to show, right? Let me know if I make myself clear. If not, I will gladly help you. Let's move to Sasha Rulan. We selected delivery areas with a polygon. In addition, oh wait, we have one above. How do we set up when we use single store? So the customer doesn't have to enter twice to select products. Javier Mena, what do you mean? Can you give me like an example of your question, please? Sasha Rulan. We selected delivery areas with polygon. In addition that option, we established delivery price by distance from a store, for example. By distance from a store. Can we establish? Yeah, you have to create different delivery zones in order to achieve what you want, Sasha Rulan. Let me show you. That's a very let me close this one. Okay, it's a very common question. We go here, food, then go in delivery zones. We create as many as we need, and the thing here that will help you out a lot. Let me clear this one. You will add, let's say for example, let me get closer. Okay, here is our business demo, right? So you have one delivery like this, and you charge $2, right? The next delivery will be like this, and it'll charge, like this, and it'll charge $4. The system will automatically take the delivery zone that meets the delivery place that your customer is at, so it won't charge something else. Also here you have by miles and by kilometers, so you set up like that, and it will automatically give the customer the delivery price. That's the way to set it up, Sasha. It sounds like you like you just need to update both, right? Cheryl, do you mean update both? We have to upgrade the version in the settings and build the website, update it. When you are going to launch, so the staging one, you click update and you will see the changes to test. And then when you want to send everything to your customers, you click in the production one to send the latest changes to your customers. So yeah, you have to update both. If we wait to one-time package, is ordering build will change to our brand? No, the ordering builder always feels like that because you only, well, you only see it. So it is still the same. The ordering builder is not for sharing. Ashar, let's see, Jens age. Can I watch this lesson and others? Yes, for sure, Jens. Uh, all the lessons that we are creating. This is an experiment we just started yesterday. Will be in our ordering channel. You can see it in the description. Also, some other links to all of our documentation and everything, so you can follow up to us. Maybe subscribe so you get notified when we're live every day, 13 hours, New York. Okay. Uh, let's say, Cheryl, will you be making any white level tutorial videos we can share for a quick how to set up? What do you mean by you can white label? No, because they are on our channel, so that starting from them, it won't be white labeled. You can take my videos as example if you want to, or just put a tape somewhere where the label shows. Uh, I don't know. Do you have any more questions? We're running out of time. It's been my pleasure to help you to show you this class today. Make sure to like the video, and the next lesson will be about how the app, how is the process of the apps, how to upload them in the store, some example of how to do it, how to make it faster, for not wait for us to deliver them. Everything will be in the next lesson. Uh, what else? Any more questions? I will leave 1 minute for questions. I'm Mauricio, not Ernesto. I think Ernesto helped you. It's a very important teammate. Okay, thank you so very much. Thank you, thank you. Anything else? We have nothing. So well, see you next time. Tomorrow, same time, same channel. This is the way it is. And don't worry, Ashar. We're from the north in Mexico, so maybe it's a similar accent. Don't worry about it. Let me know in the comments if you have anything else. I will check them out. Also, feel free to check all of our lessons. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys. Thank you very much.